Welcome to Practical TPRM 101 Learning Series. In TPRM, critical vendor and high risk vendor are often used together, but they mean different things. A critical vendor is important because the business depends on them. As a TPRM analyst, the practical question is, if this vendor goes down tomorrow, will it impact operations, customers, revenue, or regulatory commitments? For example, a cloud hosting provider, payment processor, or core banking platform may be critical because the business cannot function smoothly without them. A high risk vendor is different. Here, the question is, what risk does this vendor introduce to the organization? A vendor may be high risk if they process sensitive customer data, access internal systems, support regulated processes, operate offshore, or have weak security controls. So the simple difference is this. Criticality is about business impact if the vendor fails. For example, an office internet provider may be critical for daily operations, but may not be high risk if they do not handle sensitive data. A niche marketing tool may be high risk because it stores customer data, but not critical because the business can continue without it. If you want to manage high and critical vendors in autonomous and intelligent way, Safe Security's 100% autonomous TPRM solution helps teams classify these vendors, assess risk, and continuously monitor third-party exposure at scale. Book a demo today. Link is in the description. If this video helped you understand the topic better, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. I will keep sharing simple, practical TPRM lessons in this series.